Hi, my name is Zara, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use FlexLogger in operator mode. So right now I have my channels all configured based on my hardware setup. I've also added specific logging specifications, added an event, and my screen tab is all set up with the graphs I want to see. So now, say you're an engineer and you already done this work and you want to share this project with another one of your coworkers or someone else. We can lock this project and then you can share the file so that someone else can still use your FlexLogger project but not mess around with any of the channels that you've already set up or any of the other specifications. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I'll be clicking the project tab in the top left corner, click lock project, type in a passcode. So for this, I'm just going to click FlexLogger and then retype that and then click OK. And so now my project is locked. So we can just go ahead and try to configure one of the channels. And as you can see, it's grayed out, meaning we can't edit this configuration. Even with the logging specifications tab, everything is grayed out. We can also not add an event right here. And even with our screen tab, there is no option to click and add another graph or gauge. But to unlock this project, we can just do the same thing and go ahead and click project tab and then click unlock. I can enter my passcode and then click OK. And now all of our settings are back to normal. In this video, we learned how to use FlexLogger in operator mode, which allows you to share the file and have the user use your FlexLogger project but not make any changes to your configuration. We can also unlock the project for further use and edits as well. Thank you for watching.